Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two electric shavers that will leave you clean-shaven and ready to conquer the world. On the left, we have the Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro, and on the right, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro comes in at $149, while the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 is a steal at just $39. Now, I don't know about you, but that price difference is enough to make me do a happy dance. Now, let's move on to the design. The Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro boasts a sleek, compact design with ultra-flexible pivoting blades that allow you to shave in any direction. It's like having a personal barber in your pocket. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 features 4D flex heads that move independently in 4 directions, adjusting to the curves of your face, neck, and jawline. It's like a shaver that can dance. When it comes to the shaving experience, both these shavers have some impressive features. The Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro has 4-direction floating heads and an ergonomic handle that provides a smoother and more intuitive shaving experience. It's like gliding on a cloud. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 has comfort cut blades that gently cut hair just above skin level, giving you a clean shave that's comfortable on your skin. It's like a spa day for your face. Now, let's talk about water resistance. The Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro is IPX5 water resistant, meaning you can use it in the shower with confidence. Wet shave with cream, gel, or foam, or go for a refreshing dry shave. It's like having a personal water park for your face. On the other side, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 has a pop-up trimmer for mustache and sideburns, and the heads can be easily cleaned under the tap. It's like a mini cleaning party for your shaver. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. The Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro comes with a powerful integrated lithium-ion battery that gives you 90 minutes of cordless use. That's enough time to shave your way through a whole season of your favorite TV show. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 offers up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime, which means you can enjoy about 13 shaves before needing to recharge. It's like having a marathon of smoothness. Based on online reviews, the Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro is highly recommended for bald men, delivering exceptional performance and a comfortable shaving experience. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 is praised for its easy maintenance and close shave, making it a good value for those who are okay with a not very close shave. And there you have it, folks. The Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro and the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 battled it out, but in the end, it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, both of these shavers will leave you looking sharp and feeling confident. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome comparisons. Stay smart, stay sharp, and happy shopping.